Hello everyone, today we're gonna make Boondi Laddu. For this we need 500 grams of besan, 1 kg sugar, cashews, cardamom powder, ghee, raisins and oil to fry. Bowl, add besan, add water little by little because if we add all water at once, it will form lumps and get watery. So add water little by little. The batter should be in between thick and thin consistency. For example, a little looser than the idli batter. If you pour batter from top, it should have a flowy consistency. Heat oil in a pan. Add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Adding ghee will give aromatic flavor to boondi or laddus. Take a ladle full of batter and pour it in a slotted spoon. Make boondi in medium flame. Do not keep slotted spoon in too much height, as batter droplets do not give round shape when falling from height. Boondi should be just cooked, not crisp. This step is very important because if boondis become crispy, then laddus won't be soft and they won't be able to absorb the sugar syrup. Place the boondi on a kitchen napkin to drain excess oil. After each batch, wipe the slotted spoon with a clean napkin. Mix sugar and water in pan. Keep the sugar solution on a stove top and a low heat. Take 1 cup of boondi and make it into a coarse powder. the sugar syrup till you get one thread consistency. Switch off the flame. Keep the sugar solution aside. The syrup should be hot when you add the bundis. After adding bundi, keep the flame on low. Mix it well. Once you see bundi absorbing sugar syrup, add cardamom powder and mix it. On the other side, roast cashews and raisins in ghee. Finally, add the roasted cashews and raisins to the bundi. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Mix well, and when it's still warm, just squeeze and press the laddu, greasing your palm with ghee.